In this video, I'm going to show you my personal thought and opinion on HLBZ, Helbiz, exactly what I'm expecting the price to do and all the good stuff, the reasons behind it and all the saucy stuff. Before we get into the sauce, you can see that the bottom right corner, the performance and how this thing has actually performed. This is like pretty big number. 86% down in the past 6 months is just brutal. 94 in the past year is again a brutal number, just mental. But we have seen fairly recently, if I go like 3-day chart or so, we have seen a break up, which on the 3-day chart I haven't seen a break up ever since we started. Like right here, this is in 2021, and after they just continue to deliver low. Now this could be the reason this still continues. It just happens like the history like could repeat itself with the break right here. Still could of course continue to come lower, but my genuine prediction is at least to take out these highs that we made right here. It's not like this could be a pretty big possibility. So this is what my predictions look like. Let me know your thoughts on it. See you.